Hey yo, what is good, bruh? I'm just about to go pick up my little sister, but look at the whip. Peep the whip. I can't turn the camera, but look at this shit. Whip about clean, bro. Whip clean as a bee. Peep the whip, bruh. I might need to redo them lights, but everything else is nice, bruh. Hey, but that's it for now.
Hello. How y'all doing out there? Y'all good? You know you can't stop the
Alright, so this is like all the pictures that I got from the car meet and the meetup that one night. And we really just went out around town, taking random pictures and junk, having fun, just chilling. It was real crazy. That junk was amazing.
You can see me even if you had 3D glasses. That bitch in the bikini, she from California.
Look at my baby boy. Nice, boy. Look at my baby. That look nice.
Big dog, too drippy. Look at it. Look at it. Burberry on the shirt. Got the J's on. Hold on, we'll back for you. I can't see it, but look. Hey, got the J's on the feet, bro. Too drippy, bro. Too drippy. Too drippy, you feel me? Too drippy.
Hey, so look, that's it for the weekend, bro. I gotta go back to base tomorrow, but it was fun. It really was. I love everything about it. If you like it, like and subscribe. You already know.